So this is my new little engraving bit for the Genmitsu CNC engraver. What I've got is a D bit in here, which is carbide, solid carbide. I've then got a brass sleeve which has been reamed 1/8 of an inch, and then on the end of it you can see a little grub screw, which if I just take that grub screw out, you'll see that this comes apart a bit. I always think a bit like a biro. So I've got a grub screw in there. I've then got a tiny bit of spring, and then I've got the actual carbide bit. So here, 1/8 of an inch diameter. As you see, it's a D bit, 60-degree angle on the end. So M4 thread in the end of this piece of brass, 6mm diameter brass, 1/8 of an inch reamed hole through the center that was put through first. And then you can see on the side I drilled actually 2mm through there and pushed a piece of brass rod in there with a rounded nose on it, and then soldered that in place and cut it off and machined it back, and that just stops that D bit when it's in there fully rotating. So I've got a D bit that rotates with the brass out of here, get driven by that little pin. I put some grease in there just to make sure that it can move freely, and a spring behind it just so I can load it up.